Welcome back to Dirt Decoded, where we decode what really happens beneath your feet. What if I told you that pulling weeds might actually be firing your garden's hardest working employees? Today, we're uncovering the secret life of weeds, nature's hidden soil engineers. Let's dig into the real power of weeds, their roots. While most garden plants have shallow roots, weeds like comfrey and dandelion send taproots deep, sometimes 10 feet down. These roots act as biological drills, breaking up compacted soil and creating channels for air and water. This process, called biodrilling, improves soil structure and water retention. Even better, these deep roots mine minerals like potassium and calcium from subsoil, bringing them up where other plants can access them. Weeds aren't just surviving, they're unlocking hidden fertility for your entire garden. They're the underground workforce you never knew you had. So how do these deep-mined minerals help your veggies? When weeds die or are chopped down, their nutrient-rich leaves decompose, releasing minerals into the topsoil. Microbes break them down, making nutrients available to your shallow-rooted crops. It's a free natural recycling system, turning weeds from competitors into collaborators. Your garden gets richer, darker, and more fertile with every cycle. Not all weeds are equal. Some are true soil superheroes. Comfrey is the king, with deep roots and leaves packed with potassium. Dandelion's taproot breaks up hard soil and mines for calcium, iron, and copper. Broadleaf plantain and dock excel at loosening compacted ground, improving drainage and aeration. These plants don't just survive tough conditions, they fix them. When you see them, it's a sign your soil is getting a natural upgrade. They're the pioneers, preparing the ground for everything else. How do you work with these beneficial weeds? Use the chop and drop method. Let key weeds grow, then chop them down before they go to seed, leaving the cuttings as mulch. This mulch feeds your soil, suppresses unwanted weeds, and conserves moisture. Place comfrey or dandelion near heavy-feeding crops for a natural nutrient boost. Repeat throughout the season for a steady supply of free fertilizer. It's simple, sustainable, and keeps your garden thriving. Should you let weeds take over? Absolutely not. The key is balance. Use weeds where they help, remove them where they compete with your crops. Pull weeds that crowd seedlings or hog water and sunlight. Always chop before they set seed to prevent a takeover. Be a smart garden manager, harness their benefits, but keep them in check. Collaboration, not chaos, is the goal. Use weeds as allies, not invaders. Weeds aren't just pests. They're soil builders, mineral miners, and ecosystem engineers. By working with them, you save time, money, and effort, while building healthier, more resilient soil. Next time you spot a dandelion, ask, is this a weed or a soil ally? At Dirt Decoded, we reveal nature's secrets to help you garden smarter, not harder. Like, subscribe, and join us as we learn from the soil beneath our feet.